So we're down here in Sydenham in southeast London. This is another project we'll be starting in the next couple of days. So what we're going to be doing on this project is we're going to be removing all of the paint from all of the brickwork on the lower part of the property. So we'll be using a doff machine to get rid of all of the paint off all of the brickwork all the way through on this ground floor of the property, all around the archwork, all around the front door, all around the bay as well. Then on the top elevation and middle elevation, what we're going to be doing is brick cleaning all of the brickwork up on these two top lifts. So I'll show you upstairs. So taking all this old sand and cement, pointing out lots of bad brick repairs have been done in the past, repairs done in sand and cement. So clean all of this brickwork, change all of the bad bricks, repoint it in natural lime mortar. I think there's still some remaining original parts of the tuck pointing in areas that the property was tuck pointed in a long time ago. There you can see parts of the original tuck. So we'll do some samples for the customer and see what their preferred choice style of pointing is. Again, you can see how many bricks are all quite starting to spool and crumble away. Areas now with just no pointing in whatsoever. All of the window sills, get all the loose flaky paint off all of the window sills, screw up all of the window sills. Decoration too, all of the stonework on the bay. Same sort of thing again, with the stonework all badly blistered and peeling away. So that's going to have to all come off before we can think about doing any preparation to the stonework. I think there'd be quite a few bricks on this to cut out and replace in areas. Let's have a look at the top elevation, see what we got going on up there. But this is going to look really nice when it's all finished. Okay, top elevation. Same sort of thing, a few cracks in bricks here and there. Get some nice new air vents to go in when needed. Paint all of this rough cast render on the top here. See what we can do with these gaps where the windows are not being fitted tight up to the render. So see what we can do that for the client now. Yeah, look at that, same sort of thing, just been filled in with mastic, so we'll come up with a better way of protecting the inside of the property. Yep, all good. So that's going to look perfect when this is all cleaned and repointed and decorated. And I believe we've got a little bit of work to do on the side of the property. Let's have a little look at that. I think we're doing all the woodwork here as well. That's all going to be decorated. All the balustrades and all painted white. And around this corner, I believe we are doing repointing this section of the wall. It's all been repointed in cement. All the bricks are spooling as well. And the customer's talking about possibly doing the side elevation of this. It was all repointed, I believe he said around about 2 years ago, but it's all been done in sand and cement, and he's getting a lot of damp now coming through where that solid wall can't breathe. So we'll look at that for him. A lot of cracking going on where the mortar's so hard for the brickwork. So yeah, another big project. Looking forward to getting this one underway next week, and we'll show you some more progress, how we turn this one around in the next couple of weeks. Keep you posted. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.